In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a marketing-based or promotional design using Canva AI. So in your homepage, click on the Canva AI button at the left sidebar, and then click on this text box. So once you click on it, it's going to expand and show you these options. Click on design, and then click on marketing. So that's going to specifically tell the AI that we want the design based on marketing designs. And you can choose any of these formats if you want it to be that much more specific. But I'm going to just keep it normal and let the AI decide. So let's say we wanted to create a design to promote our business. So I'm just going to ask, make me a flyer, promote my, let's say, restaurant. And yeah, that's it. So I'm just gonna click on submit, and here is going to take you to this prompt setting up page. It's going to instantly give you the designs if it doesn't need any more information. If it does, it's going to ask you for some information, and then it's going to show you the designs. But it's not for this case, so yep. Every prompt you make is going to give you 4 designs. So as you can see, it made the flyers. I think they all look pretty nice. However, we have to choose one. So let's just choose this one. And as you can see, we know all the elements of this one. There's the image, the text, and yeah. So now, if you want to edit this, just click on Use Canva Editor. And if you want to change the color, maybe the template types of colors, just click on the color and now you can change it. But I'm going to keep it the same. Let's click on Use Canva Editor and see how we can change these. So here we can actually see we went to the actual Canva design page. We can change the text of each of these elements, and yeah, that's it. That's how you can create a business or promotional message for your business and using Canva AI. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.